AI tools are moving so fast that it's hard to keep up without getting sucked into the hype. So every month I show you 5 advances in Google AI productivity tools that actually work with real world examples. This month we're going to look into recent advances in Google Slides and Google Docs that actually save you time creating professional presentations and professionally formatted docs. We're going to look at Google Sheets Canvas, which allows you to build apps in Google Sheets. And finally, we're going to look at 2 new advances in NotebookLM and Gemini. So let's head over to Google Slides and get started. The first feature I want to show is the new presentation feature in Slides. So you click this presentation feature, and what I love about this is it allows you to mimic the style of another presentation. So I'm asking this to create a presentation detailing Glanbia's 2025 results, match the presentation style of the KPI template, but use the Glanbia logo and colors. So I'm adding from the drive a KPI template to match the style of, and then I'm adding also from the drive some sources from Glanbia's 2025 full year results, and then I'm going to go in and choose the web in here as well in order for it to get more results. Now just to review, I've got my style reference, I've got my sources. You can add more sources there if you want. Just to look at the style reference, this is just to kind of get the idea of what a KPI report looks like. So it'll match the style of some of these slides in here, and I press next, and the first thing this asks me is it reads the report and asks me, who is this report for? It is for the general public. What do I want the slides to contain? Balance between text and visuals, 6 to 5 slides, and then it asks me what emphasis does it want in the 2025 results. It'll then go through the steps and the slides it wants to create. You can edit these if you want, and then Gemini will go in and start creating these slides. And this quality is much better than what we've seen before from Gemini's slides, and it also has the ability to edit any of the slides and any of the text, which isn't available on all the outputs from Gemini historically. So I really like this, and I use this a lot in work to build on what I've already built in terms of slides and get decks out quickly. We can do similar things in Docs. So this is a quarterly board report template, and what I can do here again with the Glanbia reports, that's just the data I'm using here. I can go into a doc and I can copy the format of that doc I've had before. So I'm matching the quarterly board report format, and then I'm adding a source from my drive, which is this Glanbia full year results that we just looked at. The prompt I'm going to give it is write a board report for Glanbia using the document structure and format populated with the figures from the FY25 Glanbia report. And this will come out with a document populated from that FY25 Glanbia report, but in the format of the board report I already had. Working in the finance function in companies, I always find that we are reproducing documents, we're kind of pulling them out, we're stripping them out, and having something like this that just lifts and shifts from PDFs or different documents straight into the same format is a major time saver. The next thing I want to show you this month is a major improvement on mind maps in NotebookLM. So I have just one document in this NotebookLM, and that's the Glanbia 2025 full year results. Now this is a much larger file than the one we were looking at before, and I want to navigate this through a mind map. So essentially what a mind map will do is it'll allow you to break into key themes and to select what you're interested in, which just kind of gives you an overview on those key themes. So before you just press the mind map, but now you can customize it. So what I'm asking for is build a mind map with the central node of the business itself, level 1 revenue drivers, risk factors, and competitors only. And I'm going to generate from there. So that gives me a starting point for my mind map, which will drill down into other aspects. So the original mind map looks like this. It starts off with a lot of core factors, and it will take a while for me to get to where I want to go. But my new mind map just has 3 top level, and then I can drill into revenue drivers. This will give me my categories and revenue drivers, and then drill out again per business area. And the beauty of these mind maps is that you can click on a category and then you can see the information about that category generate as a note. So this is one I wanted to look at for optimum nutrition. I can then go into my tariff and trade policy volatility. A new feature the Gemini team have recently released is the ability to output in a number of different file formats that wasn't available before. So you can output in the file format of the file that you want to use. So what I'm asking here is I'm asking for an Excel file in a certain format, and I'm asking for formulas and format in there, and I'm just giving this some data. I'm just saying a marketing budget. These are all my budget items, and I've asked for that in Microsoft Excel in a certain format. And now this will generate me an Excel file, not a Sheets file that I have to pull into Sheets and pull out into Excel. This is in the Excel format, formatted in Excel with Excel formulas. And there's a lot of different file types you can ask for in this. In this, I'm asking just for the same in Google Sheets. And then this will do the same. It'll create me the same file in Google Sheets. From here, I can ask for Markdown files, PDFs, straight from Gemini. So a lot more flexible and a lot more easy to get exactly what you want. Another feature which I've done a video on that's been released recently is Sheets Canvas. This allows you to create applications within Sheets. So to do this, we go to the Gemini tab in Sheets, we press Create Canvas, and I'm going to choose that data set we were just looking at, that is priority accounts, and I want to build myself an application for that. So that's a gallery view with cards. Each card should show certain information. Then I'm asking for style and features in here and the ability to add and edit records through the application that will change the sheet itself. So this is then generating that application. The application lives inside Google Sheets, and now you can see that I have an interface now to add new accounts, edit accounts, and save accounts in here. And then I've got all my filters, my priority filters and stages. There's a lot of different things you can do with this, and I have a full Canvas video on the channel, and the link for that is down below. But you can see that this has changed the information in the original sheet. And this is something I'm using in work a lot, especially for projects or dashboards. It's just much easier than developing something from scratch. So there were 5 tools that I'm using to increase my productivity at work. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you very soon for another Google AI video.